Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card or any other payment method on your Crypto.com application. So first of all, when you have logged into your Crypto.com, you want to go ahead and click Buy option. And after that, it doesn't really matter which cryptocurrency you will add. So for example, I'm just going to choose Solana. And as you can see, I have already added Apple Pay. But you can go ahead and click Add Payment Method. Click on it. After that, you will see at the top credit or debit card, buy crypto immediately, 3% fee. So the fee is quite high. So it's better to actually just deposit your euros or USD from your bank. But if you want to add a credit or debit card, you're just gonna click this option. And as you can see, now you will need to go ahead and add card number, expiration date, CVV, first name, last name, and you just click add card and you will see it here on your cash option. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.